So the first thing that you want to do is that you want to get your Costco QR code and scan it here. Okay. So you can get your digital membership card, scan it here. So that's what we're going to go ahead and do right now. And then once you scan your QR code, you're going to go ahead and tap or insert your payment card. So I'm just going to go ahead and use tap. And then after that, it's just going to go ahead and load. And that's pretty much it. I guess the hardest thing is that you need to go ahead and get your digital membership card or QR code from the Costco app. But I'll go ahead and show you how to do that in just a second. But the QR code that we talked about before, in order to grab it, just go into the Costco app and then click on account on the bottom middle hand side. And on the top right hand side, that's where you're going to find your QR code. So you can tap to enlarge it. And this is the code that you're going to go ahead and scan where it says scan here on the gas station machine. But that's essentially it. Once you're finished, done getting gas, you can go ahead and remove it. And that's pretty much it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and get gas from Costco. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.